Welcome to this introductory course on Blender. The particular aim is scientific visualization. Blender can render images far superior to scientific visualization apps. Why choose Blender? Blender has been free and open source for 20 years, is being continuously developed, and gaining popularity. Blender is available for all platforms except tablets. The strength and weakness of Blender is its have-it-all versatility. Nobody can master all features of Blender, many of which are only briefly documented in the manual. On the other hand, lots of free tutorials are available, of variable quality. This course presents a subset of features sufficient for scientific visualization. We shall first install Blender on Windows. Instructions for other platforms can be found in Blender Manual from Blender website. It is best to use portable install. This way multiple versions of Blender can coexist on the same PC. Go to blender.org and click Download. From here you can find all previous versions of Blender. For the latest, choose Other Versions, Windows Portable. You do not need administrator privileges to install Blender as portable. Create Blender Portable folder on C drive and unzip the contents of your downloaded file under it. Go to the subfolder named after the version number and create a new folder, config, under it. Blender will use config folder for storing preferences for this particular version. Either start this Blender version by clicking the blender.exe file or make a shortcut.